Hey, it's Isabel with the Farmer Success Team here at Farm Raise, and we're so excited to announce that our invoicing is now linked to your inventory and can add a transaction when you mark an invoice as paid. I'm going to walk you through how this works today, so let's jump in and get started. First, you can see me head to my inventory, and I have 15 sunflowers in my inventory, and then I head to my invoice and I'm going to click add to add a new invoice. You can see my pretty new logo up there, and I'm going to add an existing customer, and then I have two choices for sunflowers here, but I'm going to want to click the one that has the green clipboard with the check mark. So this is the one that I'm going to be able to deduct from my inventory. So you can see my inventory available and my inventory remaining. So here when I select 6, I see that I have 9 sunflowers remaining, and then I can click save. It is then going to take 15 to 30 seconds to upload my PDF and update my inventory so that I can download or send my invoice out to my customer. Personally, I like to download my invoices, but here I can preview my invoice, make sure that everything looks correct, and then I can head back to download it and then go to my invoice list, and then I will go to pressed send and then paid. And then when I press pay, I can click create a revenue transaction. And when I press save, it will add a transaction. And then I have the option to link it to a product or not. And then I can add that transaction. And then when I head back to my inventory, you can see I have 9 sunflowers left in my inventory. And when I go to my transactions and I click on it, I can see the invoice straight from the transaction. If you have any other questions about this, please feel free to press the green circle in the bottom right hand side of our website to chat with our team, or send us an email at support@farmraise.com. Best of luck, and let us know if you need any help. Have a great day.